Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products, and for today's video I'm going to test this Givenchy Prisme Libre blush, and I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I've already primed my face, and for my primer today I've used this by SHISEIDO. This is my favorite primer at the moment. I really like this one. Keeps my makeup in place all day and it's not breaking me out, so I could really rely on this primer when I have a foundation that I really like but it's breaking me out a little bit, so I like to use this one as a primer. So I really like this primer, blurs my pores, keeps my makeup in place all day, and is not breaking me out. In my last video I've used the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I really like that foundation, but I'm not going to use it again today. But as a little update since my last video, I've tried it for a full day of makeup, and the foundation is holding on like all day, so I really like it. But for today's video I'm going to use this by Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This foundation is one of my favorites. Has a very pretty finish. It's not heavy on the skin and it's holding on all day, so I'm going to use it in today's video, and this is in the shade 2. Very pretty finish with this foundation. I have a few blemishes that are peeking through, but I think my skin look natural in this way, so I highly recommend you this foundation because it's very good, long lasting, and very pretty on the skin. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer in the shade 20. This concealer goes very well with the Armani foundation because it's more on the sheer coverage, so looks very pretty on the skin. I've also used this concealer as my eyeshadow primer. It's doing a great job if you set it, so this is what I have on today as my eyeshadow primer. And to set everything in place, I'm going to use this by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra powder. I don't really like the packaging, it's very messy because the powder is very finely milled, so it gets everywhere, but the formula is amazing. I want to quickly mention that for today's video I just have one new makeup product to test, and everything else that I've used before on my channel, and I have a dedicated video for every product because I want to do a full review for a product when I test it, so I don't like to test many products in one video. I think it's a little bit hard to watch. So the new makeup product that I'm going to test for today's video is this Prisme Libre blush. I hope I pronounced this right. This is by Givenchy Prisme Libre blush in the shade 1. It's a 4-color loose powder blush, and the packaging looks like this. I think this is the most beautiful blush I have ever seen. You have 4 shades in here, and you also have a mirror in here, which is very nice and cute. So when you open this, you have a powder puff. It says Givenchy, very fancy. It's very soft and cute, and the blush looks like this. So you have 4 different shades. They're supposed to be mixed together and will create a beautiful blush color. So I'm getting this closer so you can see the colors. So I've mixed the powders all together on the back of my hand, and I have this beautiful baby pink color, but it's very soft and pretty, so I'm very curious to see how this blush will look on my skin. I'm not going to apply the blush with this little tool, but I'm going to apply it with a brush, and then mix the colors with a brush. So this is how this Prisme Libre blush by Givenchy looks on this side of my face. Looks very pretty on the skin. It's not emphasizing any texture. The product is very easy to apply on the skin, so I'm also going to apply it on this side of my face. I have quite a lot of blush on right now, but I want you to see the color better if you are closer to my skin tone. So this is the blush on my skin. I have to say that I like it for now, but I want to give you my final impressions at the end of the video for this Givenchy blush. And now I will move on with the rest of my makeup. And for my bronzer today, I'm going to use this Ambient Lighting Bronzer by Hourglass. As I mentioned earlier, the blush is the only new makeup product that I used for today's video. And all of the other makeup products that I've used today, I've used before on my channel, so I just want to quickly mention that I've used this before on my channel and I really like it. This is not emphasizing my texture, is long lasting and makes my skin look very fresh and bronzy. And moving on to my eyes, for my eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to use this by Huda Beauty. This is Mercury Retrograde. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette. I love all the glitter shades from here. It's just so easy to use and all the colors are very pigmented and very easy to blend. So this is what I'm going to use for today's video. And I'm going to start by applying this color all over the eyelids. And I'm going to finish this eye look by using this glitter shade all over the eyelids and some on my lower lash line and on my inner corners. And next I'm going to use this darker shade from here as my eyeliner and also some on my lower lash line. And to finish with this eye makeup look, I'm going to apply this Yves Saint Laurent mascara and I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. Mascara is on and I'm going to finish with this makeup look by applying something on my lips. And I really like this cream lip stains by Sephora. This is in the shade 13, but I will list everything that I've used today in the description box below, so you could find everything that I've used for today's video there. So this is the finished makeup look. I think this is a pretty makeup look for spring. It's very fresh and easy, but I would love to know your opinion in the comments down below. And also please let me know if you have this blush by Givenchy and if you like it. I would love to know. But for me, as a first impression, I think it's gorgeous, very easy to use. I love a good powder blush and I think I found one. I don't know why I don't really like to use cream blushes. Maybe because I like to set my skin after I use my foundation and my concealer. And I remember after that I have a cream blush to use. But as a first impression, I think it's very pretty, look very nice on my skin. I've used quite a lot of it, so it's not emphasizing my texture, which is great. I have acne texture skin and not everything look good on my skin. So this one look very good right now, but I am very curious to see if this is long lasting, because I don't like to touch up my makeup throughout the day. I like my makeup to last all day without any touch-ups. For now I like it, but I will definitely keep you updated in my future video. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!